In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export Brevo contacts. This is a helpful process when you need a backup of your contact list, when you want to move data into another tool, or when you simply want to review your contacts in a spreadsheet. I will walk you through where to click and what to look for so you can export your contacts smoothly and download the file when it is ready. Start by signing into your Brevo account and looking at the left sidebar navigation. From there, click CRM. This takes you into the area where Brevo stores and manages your customer information and communication history. Next, select Contacts. This opens your main contacts list, where you can see your stored entries. Before exporting, take a moment to confirm you are viewing the correct list or segment. You want to be on the page that contains the contacts you intend to export. Now select All Contacts. At the top of the table, you will see a checkbox in the header row. Check that top checkbox to select everything currently shown in the list. This is the quickest way to include all contacts at once. If your account has many contacts, keep in mind that the export can take a little time to generate. With your contacts selected, look for the More Actions option above the list. Click More Actions to open the menu of bulk actions you can apply to the selected contacts. In that menu, select Export. This tells Brevo that you want to create an export file based on the contacts you have selected. After choosing Export, a sidebar will appear with the export controls. In the sidebar, click Start Export. Brevo will begin preparing the export file in the background. You can stay on this page or continue working elsewhere, but do not worry if you do not see an immediate download. The export needs a moment to process, especially for larger lists. Once the export is ready, go to the top right of the screen and click the bell icon. This is where Brevo posts notifications for completed tasks. In the notifications, find the export message and use it to download your file to your computer. Save it somewhere you can easily find later, such as a dedicated exports folder. And that covers everything you need to know.